to train your dragon. We're gonna draw Toothless sitting and staring at us. So let's start with his face, right like this. A little cheek bit right about here, and the neck can come down like that. We've got a horn right about here, and then the other bits of his head right here, his other horn here. Bring that other side of his face down like that. That cheek right about there again, and now his neck there. Looking very nice. Now what we're gonna do is give him a little bit of a smile here. We're gonna bring his mouth like this. There we go. Looking nice, everybody. Give him a bit of a chin right about here. This is a nice looking dragon so far. Little spiky bits coming down like this. That looks good. I'll give him some nostrils right about here. Alrighty, and then we can draw his big old eyes just like this. One there. And the other one right there. Alrighty, we'll give a bit of a highlight here and a highlight here, and then we can draw in his pupils right about here and here. This is looking good, and Toothless is starting to come together, isn't he? Here we go. Now we can draw some even bigger horns off these big horns right about there, and another one right about there. Never too sure if those are horns or ears. Anyways, he's got other little spiky bits coming out of him as well here. And another one here. And another down here. And the same on this side right about there. Now we can draw his body down here like this. We'll give him a left front leg right about here. And he's got a bit of a claw here, doesn't he? 1, 3, I believe. 2, and 3. There we go, that looks nice. We'll bring that on up like that. Give him a bit of a tummy right about there. And we'll draw his other leg right here. Kind of repeat that. Bit of claw bits here. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. And we can bring his leg back up like that. Looking good, everybody. Now what we're gonna do is draw the back here, and we're gonna have him sitting, as we said, right like this. And we can draw his other foot right down here. More claw bits, just like this. That looks nice. And we can draw his final back leg at the very back here, just like this. It'll all make sense in the end. And his leg coming up like that. All right, everybody. Let's give him some wings. Dragons have beautiful wings coming up right behind his head like this. Try not to draw over his horns there. Spiky bits up like that. And right on down, all the way down. That looks nice. There we go. Just like that, everybody. Kind of give him some texture in the wing here like that. And a little bit of line right like that. Looking good. Now we can do the bits over here. We can have him coming up here like this for his back wing on this side. Just like that. And we'll bring it on down like that. And this wing can come up here. Down. And then like that. Again, a little bit of texture on the wing here. And some lines on the inside. This is looking nice. Now all we have to do is finish him off with a tail. I'd like the tail to come around the front like that. That's nice. Just like that, everyone. And a bit of a clawy bit of a tail at the end here, just like this. And another line for texture. Very nice, everybody. Let's get to the color. Toothless has gray blue skin, green eyes, and he's got little bits of white highlights. Thanks, everybody.